Hi, I'm Lori Richmond with Westcorp Mortgage Group, and in this video, I'm going to talk about jumbo loans. One of the most important steps in shopping for a home loan is identifying what type of mortgage that you qualify for and the mortgage that's going to be best for you. But if you live in an area where home prices are crazy high, then you may not qualify for the conforming loan limits we're always hearing about in the news. You may, in fact, need a jumbo home loan. It's important to understand the ins and outs of jumbo loans, so let's begin with the basics. What is a jumbo loan? A jumbo loan is a mortgage loan that exceeds the limits set by the Federal Housing Authority agency, otherwise known as FHFA. Jumbo loans cannot be secured by the government-sponsored Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, which makes them riskier loans for lenders. Fannie and Freddie set limits on how high the mortgage loan can be that they'll purchase on the secondary market with their conforming loan limits. The conforming loan limits change each year in January. The 2021 conforming loan limits for King, Snohomish, and Pierce counties is $548,250. So anything above that is considered a jumbo loan. Anything below that is a conforming loan. Now, in high-cost areas like California, Hawaii, and our own Washington state, there's an interim conforming loan level before you get to jumbo. These high-cost areas have what's called a high balance conforming loan limit. So in King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties, the 2021 high balance conforming loan limit is $776,250. As I mentioned before, these loan limits do change every year in January, which means we've got a change coming right around the corner. Like conventional mortgages, you can get a jumbo loan in a variety of terms or repayment schedules. They can be fixed or adjustable rate loans. However, jumbo loans work differently than conventional mortgages because they have stricter requirements than other types of mortgages, and you'll have to meet specific requirements for property types, down payment requirements, credit scores, debt-to-income ratios. So let's talk about the down payment. How much down payment do you need to qualify? In general, jumbo loans require more down payment than conforming loans. It's not uncommon to see the jumbo loans require 20% down for a single family home, but there are other lenders that will do as little as 10% down. Now, jumbo loans require higher credit scores and debt-to-income ratios are generally lower. Lenders also want to see that you have reserves, which is money left in the bank after closing. Reserves are required to show that you've got a couple of months of payments in the bank in case of an emergency. Now, your credit score is a major factor when it comes to getting a jumbo mortgage. You'll usually need a credit score of at least 680 to 700 to get a jumbo loan for $1 million, and you may need a score as high as 740 if you want to go up over 1.5 million. Now, there's always exceptions to every rule. There are lenders that allow lower credit scores and lower down payments, but keep in mind, those jumbo loan programs usually come with higher interest rates. Now, your debt-to-income ratio is also a factor. You'll need to keep your debt-to-income ratio between 40 and 43% in general to qualify for most jumbo programs. That's lower than the 49%, which is the standard DTI for conventional. When it comes to jumbo loans, your interest rates are typically going to be higher than the standing conforming rates we're always hearing about in the news. So keep that in mind when you're shopping for a jumbo loan. Whatever loan you're getting, there are always closing costs, which can range from between 3% to 6% of your total home value. Now, this can add up for a jumbo loan, so you want to be prepared to cover your closing costs in addition to your down payment. Jumbo loan qualifications typically are more stringent than your conforming loans. Your lender is going to want to see up to 2 years of your W-2s, your tax returns, and your 1099s. Bottom line is that jumbo loans are out there, but you will need to be prepared to have more money down, have a great credit score and reserves, be prepared to share more income documentation. Whatever loan program you're looking for, it's important to know your options, and the best way to do that is to work with a licensed mortgage professional. Always be sure to get your questions answered because knowledge is power. Thanks for watching. This is Lori Richmond. I'm the Senior Mortgage Advisor with Westcorp Mortgage Group. If you have questions about jumbo loans, I'd be happy to help. You can connect with me at the contact information here.